Look what we have here. A bunch of copper plates. Single-sided and double-sided. What am I going to do with these? Well, use them in this. This is a CNC 3018. The little toy CNC that everybody tells you you should not be buying. Well, I do. And it's supposed to look like this. Let's have a look. It's well packed. Bunch of drill bits. Can't see what they are, they're all nicely protected. Cables, controller, power supply, European plug even, stepper motors, oh boy, a bunch of screws, and a very nice USB stick. But that's only the upper layer. Oh, there's another layer. Boy oh boy. This feels like Lego. Ah, here's the real meat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Metal. Now I wonder how they CNC those holes into that and how they CNC these metal plates themselves. Probably not using a 3018. Hey, this is surprisingly light. Is it aluminium? Let's get a magnet. Yep, it's aluminium. Very cool. No, it's not aluminium. This is plastic. Okay, that's surprising. A little bit disappointing, to be honest. What is this? Fiberglass? Some sort of sandwich. I seriously thought it was metal from all the pictures. Nobody on YouTube told me. Do your job, people. That's why it's so light. Right, so this upgraded version was actually cheaper than the original. Two extrusion panels. This is aluminium. Sounds like aluminium. This is... It seriously looks like a bunch of FR4 circuit boards. It smells like FR4. These are the thickest circuit boards you've ever seen. Right, so there's a nice little book, actually in color, and it calls this bakelights, backlights. I'm gonna call it circuit boards because reasons. Actually, this is a lot better instruction than what I've heard people complain about. And I have a lifetime, a long childhood of Lego behind me. So I think this should be fine. Let's go build! Alright, we have reached the end of the manual, but we're not done yet. This was literally just putting it together mechanically, and none of the wires are connected. So we're left with an awful mess here, and nobody will tell you how to hook that up. Of course, you're supposed to know what is X, Y and Z, and the electronics are labeled. It's going to be hard to see. Yeah, everything is labeled, so should go on quite well, but we won't know until we actually get the PC running and try to make it move. So, next stop, wiring. And that is that. Before you start yelling, no, I'm totally unhappy with this. This is just connecting. I want to see if it works. I'm gonna redo this later. I want most of this completely encapsulated anyway. This is crap. Especially when we start throwing around FR4 material. We just want to test this drive, and again, I want to make this work under Linux, but I'm fairly sure this software is for Windows, so we're just going to run it on a Windows machine. For now, I'm not making PCBs today, we're just checking out the machine. Here we go. In the E drive software to control machine, there's also the driver. Let's see if this works. Yes. Install. What are you doing? What are you doing? Driver install success. Okay. COM8 maybe. Oh. It's doing stuff. This might be doing something. Right? Ooh. Yes. Left. Ooh. Up. Dunk. Down. No. Let's turn a spindle on. That works. Goes up. Goes left to right. Doesn't go front back. That plug isn't in. That plug wasn't in. Yeah. That was it. Plug your plugs in. Or give your engineering degree back. Ugh. No end stop. It's really nice if you read the buttons. This works. Look. No end stop. Here's a problem. This is not gonna work. Mr. Cable Management. Manage that. So that looks a bit nicer. Reconnected the motor. Spindle wasn't entirely engaged. I hope this one's okay because I did it the same way. And I cleaned up the wiring a little bit. Forget about the USB and the power for now, but just the signal wires. So maybe that attention to detail makes it happy. Let's see. Forwards. Hell yes. Very good. Right. Left. Up. Oh, that's quick. Down. On. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Neighbors are gonna love that one. Alright. Seems to be working. And now I have got to figure out how to actually do stuff with this thing. First, I will need to convert a Gerber file from KiCad, or whatever, something that outputs Gerber files, into Grble control. And then I gotta go shred some stuff. But that's for later. We got a working thingy. Makes noise. Moves around. Makes lots of noise. And that's enough for today. Bye-bye.